So it becomes sort of a question of form factor and I/O. But the pocketability kind of gave me a different idea for how I see this, as something where, out of desperation, you might actually use it like this when you're sitting on a plane or on a train or something like that. But normally, it's more about like taking the vast majority of the local storage you actually need and being able to really carry it around with you and plug it in with a single cable solution. To a desktop type display. The ability to just take it, plug it in, and be using your computer wherever you go. That is very appealing to me. Very appealing to me. Very appealing to me. Very appealing to me. Very appealing to me.
Hi everyone, my name is Richard. I'm a product manager here at Canonical, and what I'm going to show you here is Ubuntu PC Convergence running directly from this Ubuntu Edition Meizu Pro 5 smartphone. This feature that I'm going to describe and demonstrate here is what is about to roll out with our latest release on OTA 11. This same feature will be available on all future smartphones going forward. So what I've got connected is a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. So if I just go into system settings, on the Bluetooth menu, Bluetooth mouse and keyboard connected. Then if I go into displays, you can see a new feature here, which is showing external displays. So if I go into the wireless display setting, you can see that it's detecting the Wi-Fi capability running from my external monitor display. So I've got a Wi-Fi dongle basically plugged into the back of my external display. I'm going to connect to that over peer-to-peer Wi-Fi, and once that association takes shape and the connection is established, you can see that what I've got running is a full Ubuntu PC from this Meizu Pro 5 smartphone. So you can see all my applications in windowed mode. You can see I've got access to the dialer. All of the services running from the phone are completely available from this desktop interface. If I go into the right edge, you can see I've got a full multitasking capability and the launcher there on the left edge. So what we've got here is a full Ubuntu PC experience running from the Meizu Pro 5 smartphone. This same experience will be rolled out on all future Ubuntu smartphones going forward. Thank you.